In today's video, I will walk you through how to write checks using QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. First, select the Create button at the top left. From the panel that appears, select Check. Now fill in the check details. Start by selecting the payee, which is the person or business you are paying. Next, select the correct bank account. Make sure the account is correct because the funds will be withdrawn from it. If you need to mail the check, add or confirm the mailing address. Then set the payment date to match when the check will be issued. For the check number, enter the number printed on your physical check. If you are going to print the check from QuickBooks, select the option to print later. This will queue the check for printing and handle the numbering during the printing process. Next, assign the category. Select the expense account that best describes what you are paying for. Then add a clear description. Enter the payment amount. If the payment covers more than one category, add multiple lines and split the amount accordingly. You can also add a memo to identify the purpose of the transaction when reviewing it later. Once all the check details are correct, select Print Check from the bottom bar. Load your pre-printed check stock into the printer according to the manufacturer's directions. Keep a plain sheet of paper available for a test run. If this is your first time printing a check in QuickBooks Online, you will be guided through a printer alignment process. Follow the on-screen prompts to print a sample. Compare the position of the date, payee, and amount on the paper with your check stock. Adjust the alignment until everything lines up correctly. Once the alignment is correct, proceed to print. Review the preview, confirm the printer settings, and print the check. If you selected Print Later earlier, select the check you just created from the list and send it to the printer. That completes the process of writing and printing a check using QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.